Hello, I'm Oakland County Executive Dave Coulter, here today to talk about our continuing efforts to provide COVID-19 vaccinations to our residents here in Oakland County. A couple of things first. I'm happy to report that we hit a milestone this week. The state's COVID-19 dashboard shows that more than 1 million doses have been given to Oakland County residents. Now, this includes more than 287,000 doses that have been administered directly by us at our health division. I'm very encouraged by our community's response. So far, Oakland County has one of the best vaccination rates in the region, with more than 77% of our seniors receiving at least the first dose and more than 55% of our county's eligible population getting their first dose. So this week, Oakland County launched a new marketing campaign called One by One to promote the safety and efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines. The campaign will emphasize how, one by one, we will get stronger, we'll get healthier, we'll get back to business, and we'll come together as a community. This call to action encourages Oakland County residents to do their part to help stop the pandemic by signing up on our Save Your Spot list. Remember, that's oaklandcountyvaccines.com. Now, you might see and hear our campaign ads on TV, radio, social media, and you may even recognize one of your neighbors in that campaign. All the people featured in this campaign live right here in Oakland County. Remember now, all Michigan residents age 16 and over are now eligible for the vaccine. We will continue to prioritize vaccination of people who live and work in the county based on their highest risk, including older adults, those with a disability or medical condition, essential frontline workers, and communities who may have more difficulty accessing the vaccine. After you sign up on the Save Your Spot list, we'll send you an invitation to make an appointment. Now remember, you can find that list at oaklandcountyvaccine.com. Back in February, we had about 600,000 people on that list, and I'm thrilled to report that we've been able to offer appointment invitations to everyone who is 16 years and older who have signed up on our list. So if you used the Save Your Spot system but you received your vaccine from another provider, please just go back to the website and remove your name from our list. Now, if you need help with getting on or off the list or any other information about the vaccine, you can always call Nurse on Call, which is 800-848-5533. While we're making great progress with the vaccinations, we still find ourselves in a surge of cases. So it's more important than ever to get your vaccine so that we can get to community immunity, where at least 70% of our residents are vaccinated. This is the only way we're going to beat this virus, 70%. So following guidance from the CDC, the Michigan Health Department, and our own Oakland County Health Department, we want you to quarantine for 14 days if you come into close contact with someone who's had COVID. If you're exposed to someone, stay home for 14 days, watch your symptoms, and maintain a good physical distance of 6 feet. If you have symptoms, of course, you should immediately isolate yourself from family or roommates, get tested, and contact your healthcare provider. While you wait for your results, stay away from others. You know, there are so many benefits to getting the vaccine, but one big one is that if you are vaccinated and it's been more than 14 days since your second dose, you don't have to quarantine if you're exposed to someone with COVID. So that's good news. You know, there is light at the end of this COVID-19 tunnel, but we still have a lot of work to do. This last mile towards full vaccination is so crucial to all of us getting back to normal. We can't quit before we get to the finish line. So please continue to wash your hands, wear a mask, social distance to help prevent the spread. One by one, as our residents get vaccinated, we move one step closer to stopping this pandemic. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day.